got stranded in a snowstorm, apparently, when he was touring. What's that? In Hanley or Dundurn or Kenniston or whatever. But that's the true story. He phoned his manager in Nashville or whatever. This is way back in the late 50s or early 60s. And anyway, he said, his manager said, well, where in the heck are you? He said, well, we're somewhere just a little bit south of Saskatoon. And he wrote this song. Just a little bit south of Saskatoon, picked my guitar for a boarding room. Met a little girl and her name was June, just a little bit south of Saskatoon. In the winter time we paint farms, me and Judy May sit arm in arm by a big old fire and a honeymoon, just a little bit south of Saskatoon. Just a little bit south of Saskatoon, picked my guitar for a boarding room. Met a little girl and her name was June, just a little bit south of Saskatoon. Now me and Judy May, we got on fine, till I had to move up on down the line. Promised that girl I'd be back soon, just a little bit south of Saskatoon. Just a little bit south of Saskatoon, hit my guitar for a boarding room. Met a little girl and her name was June, just a little bit south of Saskatoon. Just a little bit south of Saskatoon.
Yeehaw!